Hi, it's Shadi from Team UK Car Dealership. So today I'll show you Toyota Prius 18 plate PCO ready. So it does have a PCO sticker expire on 10th of July 2025. After that, I think you can renew it or we'll renew it for you. I'll quickly show you the exterior. Very clean condition. Okay, so this is the interior of the car. Very good condition. Leather interior. Does have a lane departure alert, parking sensors, cruise control. And this is the back camera. And lights. This is the back seats. So this is the boot cover basically. So have spare wheel as well. If you just drop down the seats, I got plenty of space.